feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be.
Hey my Glow fam, it's the Glow-Getter. So today I'm going to do a no makeup routine, which is my everyday makeup when I'm not trying to do too much and when I'm busy and on like school year and everything. So it's just a minimum of products. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned and let's get started. So I already washed my face. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, I definitely will do that for you guys. So I'm going to start off with my favorite. This is my favorite Mega Illuminizer on my no makeup days. I just put that on. It just gives me a glow within glow. And it's just, you know, a nice cute look. So I'm going to go ahead. It's from Glam Glow. And it's their Mega Illuminator. And what is it called? Sun Glow. So yeah, I'm going to use that. I'm just going to dot some on my face. I'm just going to rub that in all over.
So today we're just going to do just a little illuminizer, eyebrows, concealer, eyeliner, mascara, blush, and that's it. And get ready for our day. Okay, so
I'm going to go ahead and start with my concealer. The concealer I'm using today is my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Deep. This is the shade Deep. This is what the Tarte Shape Tape concealer looks like. So yeah, we're going to start off with that. And we're just going to apply concealer like we normally do. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend that out. Alright, so now that we're done blending, we're going to set our concealer with my same favorite setting powder, Sacha Buttercup. And we're not going to do a crazy bake today because it's a no makeup routine. Okay, so we're going to do a light bake and let that sit for like a few seconds. Alright, so now we're going to dust that off with my favorite Sigma Taper blending brush, taper face brush. And we're just going to blend it out. Alright, so now that we're done brushing them off, we're going to start with our eyebrows. So I'm going to use my favorite that I always use, Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the color chocolate, my Anastasia 14 brush, my Control Freak at the end to set my brows, and my NYX Micro brow in the color espresso, and a few concealer brushes to blend it in. So we're going to get started. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are done, we're going to just apply some quick just Stilla on our eyes. This is smoldering sand, little mini one. So we're just gonna apply that onto our eyes. Little light eye look. Now that we're done applying the Stilla on our eyes, we're gonna apply some eyeliner and mascara. And I'm going to use my Tarte Light Camera Lashes. Okay, so now that the mascara and everything and the eyeliner is on, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some blush. The blush that I'm using today is from Sacha Cosmetics. And it is in the shade Barely Legal. I'm going to use my Morphe Y8 brush. So my brush around. Take the excess off for light coverage and apply some blush. I'm gonna go apply some lip gloss and I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, so I did actually go and apply lip gloss. I just used the Wet n Wild. It's just a clear lip gloss. And I did actually go ahead and apply highlight. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator in So Hollywood just to give a little glow. But this is the finished look, you guys. My no makeup routine. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to go head out. And let me know any other video suggestions you have. And leave them down below. Don't forget to give a comment, a like, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. So until next time, dolls, bye my glow fam. Mwah. Bye.
When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right